What do you mean by addressing mode? This we have already discussed. Addressing mode means to specify the way of specifying operand in the instruction is known as addressing mode. Means operand can be directly specified in the instruction. That type of addressing mode is known as, if the operand is directly specified in the instruction, that type of addressing mode is known as. Shivendra, please answer. Immediate addressing mode. In case of immediate addressing mode, operand is directly specified in the instruction. If the operand is specified in the register, then it is known as
Register address.
register addressing mode. Or in case of direct addressing mode, what is the case? In case of direct addressing mode,
Address of the operand is given.
operand is specified in the instruction. Very good. In direct addressing mode, operand of the address is specified in the instruction. So in the last class, we have covered these first three: immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, and register addressing mode. In case of direct addressing mode, we have discussed the address is specified in this example. 5000H is the address of the operand. This is the effective address of the operand because physical address of the 8086 microprocessor is having 20 bits. That we need to calculate by adding this effective address to segment register value, data segment register value. तो वो कैसे करते हैं, दैट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड इन द लास्ट क्लास. तो अब नेक्स्ट मैं आपको बता रही हूँ जो हमारा नेक्स्ट है रजिस्टर इनडायरेक्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड. इन केस ऑफ रजिस्टर इनडायरेक्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड, what is the case? The effective address of the data is in the base register or index register. We can use index register also here. Base register or index register, which register is free, we can use here. And it is specified by the instruction. For example, if this is the example, move AX comma BX. This means BX will contain the effective address. Here BX is containing 5000. So 5000 is the effective address, not the data. Data is placed in this 5000 location. Is this clear? This 5000 is the address of the operand, and operand is placed in the memory. So this is the segment of the memory with effective address 5000. The data is 22. तो यहाँ पे next क्या operation होगा after executing this instruction? This 00 is representing lower byte of address. Address. Register indirect means register will contain the address, effective address. Register will contain the effective address, not the data. That's why it is known as indirect addressing mode. Register is containing address of the data. So this complete 5000H is the address of the data. And in this example, at this address 5000H, the data is 22. The data is 22. Now is it clear?
Yes.
So now what will be transferred in AX? What will be the value of AX?
22.
22 only. AX is a 16-bit register. 22 is the 8-bit value. By default, this value will go to the lower register. AL 22 will be the value of lower register, and plus 1 location means 5000 plus 1 is 5001. 5000 plus 1 is 5001. So value of 5001 location, the data stored in 5001 location will be transferred to AH. So 33. Is this clear? So complete data is 3322H, which will be copied in the AX register. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So after execution of this instruction, what will be happen? Overall value of AX will be
3322.
Yes, 3322. So 33 will be transferred to higher byte, 22 will be transferred to lower byte. Clear? Now we need to calculate the physical address. This we have considered the effective address. Now we need to calculate the physical address. For that we need segment value. Segment value क्या होता था? This data is stored in data segment register. तो इस डेटा सेगमेंट रजिस्टर का कोई स्टार्टिंग एड्रेस होगा, उसका स्टार्टिंग 16 बिट कहाँ स्टोर होता है? इन सेगमेंट रजिस्टर. तो अगर मुझे कैलकुलेट करने को एग्जाम में आता है तो यहाँ पे गिवन होगा द वैल्यू ऑफ सेगमेंट रजिस्टर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस एज्यूम द वैल्यू ऑफ सेगमेंट रजिस्टर इज 8424. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. So what will be the physical address? Can anyone calculate? This is the value of segment register. This we need to either consider, we need to either consider, assume, or this will be given in the problem. And this is the value of effective address, which is stored in BX register. So representation of physical addresses will be like this: DS colon BX. Can anyone calculate the value of physical address? Physical address is the final 20-bit address, because 8086 is a 20-bit microprocessor. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? To calculate physical address, data segment value is added to this effective address. Now in this example we have taken data segment value as 8424. We will insert one more zero. Always 1 0 in case of segment value is added at the least significant bit, because we have considered that starting address of this memory, of this segment, of this data segment will be 84240. By default we consider the starting address of any segment with having least 4 bit as 0. In case of binary it will be 4 zeros. In case of hexa we are writing right now, so it is only single zero. It is represented by single zero. So the value of BX is 5000. We will add this value 50.
89240 आएगा.
हाँ वही तो 04298. तो ये आंसर कैसे आ गया था भाई? D4240. अगेन द सेम मिस्टेक शी डिड. इन्होंने क्या करा है? 5 को ऐड किया है 8 से. मैंने हमेशा बताया है कि सेगमेंट जो वैल्यू होती है, नेक्स्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड इज, हाँ दिस क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. मूव in bracket 7000H bracket close comma CX. Which addressing mode is this? आंसर भी आ गया था. This is direct addressing mode because the effective address of the destination location is directly given in the instruction. In this case, the data from CX will be copied to effective address 7000H.
Yes.
Direct addressing mode. For example, we have considered data as 4356. Then memory is this, and in this memory earlier values are something else, and after execution of this instruction the values will be replaced by 4356. In the similar way, in last case we were studied that lower byte is transferred, first memory location value is transferred to lower byte, and +1 memory location value is transferred to higher byte. In the similar way it is transferred from register also. 56 is the lower byte value which will be transferred to this specified location 7000H, and 43 is the higher byte value which will be transferred to, by default, +1 location. +1 location means in this example 7001H. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
This is the example of direct addressing mode. Next addressing mode is register relative addressing mode. Now what is the meaning of register relative addressing mode. In case of register relative addressing mode, the effective address, we need to calculate the effective address by adding an 8-bit or 16-bit displacement value. By 8-bit or 16-bit displacement value, this will be more clear by considering this given example. With the content of any one of the register, the register which can be used is BX or BP or SI or DI. Any one register can be used. Other than these register, we cannot use any other register except these registers. Now, again, because the operand is always stored in the data segment, we consider that segment DS will be used. Now, in this example, move AX in bracket. Bracket means what? The value is address value, not the operand value. Okay, bracket means the value will be address value. Now, register, as the name suggests, register relative addressing mode. Register relative addressing mode means there will be a register mentioned in the instruction plus one value. This value can be of 8-bit or it can be of 16-bit. Basically, this value is known as displacement value. Displacement value. Displacement value. So the value of BX register will be added to this value to form the final effective address. Now, for example, let us consider the value of BX is 5000. Then 5000 plus 50 is 5050 years. Again, this will form the final index address but effective address. The procedure to calculate physical address will remain exactly same. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear or not? To calculate physical address, what we need? We need the segment value. We insert 1 0 to that segment value. For example, in the last example, we have considered data segment value is 8424, the same value I am considering. Now 0 will be inserted. Now what value will be added to this number? In earlier type of addressing mode, directly 5000 were added to form final physical address. Now in this example, what we need to add? We need to add this value, which contains the addition of register value plus displacement value. That's why it is known as register relative. Means register will contain one value, 16-bit value, and relative means some displacement should be added. Some displacement should be added. Okay? Aradhya, yes, what do you want? Okay, you want to write something here. Yes, 5050 will be added. Then what will be the final physical address? This will be 0, 9. If it right 5050, what will be the sum? 0, 9, 2, 9, 8. 89290. 89290 will be the final physical address. Now, okay, correct. 89290. Okay.
इंडेक्स एड्रेसिंग मोड है.
इंडेक्स एड्रेसिंग मोड नहीं है ये.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after execution of this instruction, what will be the content of AX? This 44 and 33. In this slide, there was some error. 5050 should be here and 5051. So 5050 location value will transfer to AL, and plus one location means 5051 value will be transferred to AH. This is known as register relative because register value is added with some displacement value to form final effective address. Now it is clear now? Clear? Means in this case, instruction is containing two things. One is register name. In this example, register name is bx. Another one is some
Displacement.
displacement
Placement.
value. This is displacement value can be of 8 bit or 16 bit displacement. मैंने D से represent कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे 16 bit displacement value. Then to form final address, what we need, we will take the value of register, we will take this displacement value, we will add these two values to form final effective address. And this effective address in the memory will have the data to be transferred. Clear? Now it will be more clear. You can take the print screen or a screenshot of the slide. Instruction will contain register name. It will contain its displacement value. Both the values will be added by adder, and data will be in this effective address. Clear? We can take one more example. Move, for example, move CH, comma BX plus 1, 2, 3, 4 H. What will be the effective address? 1, 2, 3, 4 H. What will be the effective address? Not physical address. Effective address will be the sum of Vx value and this 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 5000 plus 5000 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 6, 2, 3, 4.
6, 2, 3.
Yes, 6234 is the final effective address, and the value of the data of 6234 location will be transferred to CH. As the CH is a 8-bit register, only that value will be transferred. Now it is clear. If it will be mentioned as CX, if it will be mentioned as CX, the value of 6234 will be transferred to CL, and 6235 will be transferred to CH. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So next addressing mode. Next addressing mode is based index addressing mode. Based index addressing mode, as the name suggests, means one value will be stored in BX register and one value will be stored in index register. Based register means either BX or BP. Base register means here either BX or BP, and another value will be stored in index register. Index register means either SI, source index, or destination index, DI. Again, in all these operations, default segment register will be DS, because DS segment is used to store operands. Now in this example is move AX, comma, square brackets bx plus si, means to form final effective address. What we need to add these two values. Now bx value we have considered as 1000h. H means all these values are in hexa, and si value is 2000h. So final effective address will be
3000.
3000h. Now the operand stored in 3000h will be transferred to AL. Because AX is a 16-bit register, and one location is containing 8-bit of data. Then this 8-bit of data will go to lower register, lower byte register. Yes, and plus one location. Plus one means
Higher
3001. It will go to higher byte. Now this is the case. So after execution of this instruction, the content of AX will be 3421. Oh, sorry, 12. 3412. Now is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now again we can take one example to calculate the final. This was the physical address. We can mention physical address and we can mention uh, effective address. So here the values are of effective addresses.
Effective
We can
address.
calculate the physical address also. Physical address means the complete 20-bit address that will be traveled in the bus of the microprocessor, because microprocessor address bus is of 20 bits. So for
20 bit.
again we can assume DS value, any DS value. So, in our case we are considering DS as 8424. This can be given in the problem or this we can assume. So now DS value is 8424 as per our example. So what will be the value of final physical address?
87240.
Okay, we need to insert 0 here. After that we will add 3000. Then final address will be 87240H. Clear? Yes, 87240. Atul, correct.